Today, we delve into the world of e-commerce platforms, specifically Shopify and ThriveCart. In the bustling market of online shopping, these two giants stand tall with their unique offerings. Shopify, a leading name in the realm of e-commerce, has etched its popularity far and wide. With a substantial market share, it is recognized for its user-friendly interface and robust features that cater to businesses of all sizes. It's not just a platform, it's a full-fledged e-commerce solution designed to simplify the process of setting up and managing an online store. On the other side of the ring, we have ThriveCart, a platform that zeroes in on cart optimization and conversion. ThriveCart's laser focus on improving the checkout process has made it a go-to choice for many online businesses. Both platforms have their strengths, but what separates them? Let's delve deeper. Now let's dissect what makes Shopify a popular choice among e-commerce enthusiasts. One of the main advantages of Shopify is the ease of setup. Even if you're not the most tech-savvy, Shopify's intuitive interface allows you to get your online store up and running in no time. Additionally, Shopify provides round-the-clock customer support, ensuring that help is always at hand should you run into any roadblocks. Shopify also boasts a wide range of features, including SEO tools, marketing automation, and a vast app ecosystem, making it a one-stop shop for all your e-commerce needs. However, every silver lining has a cloud. Shopify does charge transaction fees unless you use their payment gateway. For customization beyond the basic templates, some coding knowledge may be required, and while it offers a multitude of features, some of these can come at a potentially high cost. Despite the cons, Shopify's ease of use and robust features make it a strong contender in the e-commerce platform market. ThriveCart, on the other hand, has a different approach. Let's examine what sets it apart. One of the most appealing aspects of ThriveCart is its one-time payment structure. This can be a breath of fresh air for businesses tired of ongoing subscription fees. Additionally, ThriveCart offers powerful checkout page designs that can drastically increase your cart conversions, making it a potentially lucrative choice for your e-commerce store. However, every rose has its thorns, and ThriveCart is not an exception. A significant downside is its lack of native integrations. This can make it less compatible with other platforms out of the box. Plus, there's no built-in email marketing, meaning you'll have to rely on third-party services for this. Lastly, new users might find ThriveCart a bit challenging to navigate initially due to its learning curve. ThriveCart's focus on cart optimization can be a game changer, but it may not be for everyone. Having examined both platforms, what are the key takeaways? Shopify shines with its comprehensive e-commerce solutions, offering a myriad of themes, plugins, and an impressive scalability factor. It's a platform that allows businesses, both small and large, to thrive. However, the cost factor and the transaction fees can be a downside for some. On the other side of the coin, ThriveCart, with its one-time payment model, can be a cost-effective option. Its strength lies in its robust checkout system and affiliate management features. However, it falls short in terms of design customization and may not be as scalable as Shopify. In essence, both platforms have their strengths and weaknesses. The importance of choosing a platform is not only about the features it offers, but how well it aligns with the specific needs and scale of your e-commerce business. Remember, the best platform for you depends on your specific needs and goals. Make a wise choice and you'll be on your way to e-commerce success.